is welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I apologise now. Normally when I do this type of video I stand behind my desk, but I've spent several hours in the kitchen and so my legs are hurting, so I've got to sit down. I've got a little fabric haul. It was my birthday the other week and some people gave me money, so I thought, how better do you use it than buy fabric? This is just a hook and eye for trousers or skirt or anything like that. As you know, I don't normally buy fat quarters, but these I thought they were gorgeous and it would go with the cream ones, so I can do some Christmas things. And there's the red one, and that's the green one, and go really nice with the cream that I've got. Plus these are like half price, what they normally sell for anyway. Yeah, I want to make some things for some kitchen appliances. So my food mixer, I want a cover for that, and I bought 2 lots of fabric for it. So I'm going to make some matching things with it as well. This one, it's cotton canvas, so it's slightly thicker than the normal quilting cotton, but it's a lightweight canvas. But these are cakes. Are they cakes? No. This one is on a cream with cakes, all different sort of cakes. And this is different recipes. So I'm not sure which one to use, and I didn't realise I bought both of them. Oops. This is a chiffon. They're selling it really cheap, £1 a metre, but it's very, very thin, so you've got to wear something under it. And I bought 4 meters of it because there's a large pattern in it, and I'm thinking of trying to do pattern matching, which I don't normally do at all. But I bought 4 meters of it, so for £4. These liquid satin in the white and in the gold, they're selling up at £1.75 a metre, so that's 2 meters each, and they'll make some nice tops, something similar to one that I'm wearing now. This is the rest of them. No, this is quilting cotton, and it's just lines with strawberries. Is it? No, sorry, lines, and there's flowers around it. This is 94 inches wide, and I've got something similar in blue. I've got 6 meters of that. I've only got 3 of this, but the Christmas presents, I'm going to be making aprons and placemats, and they're nice, pretty flowers. And for the price of it, where is it? 94 inches wide, and it's a polycotton. It's £2.50 a metre, so £7.50. I'll get quite a bit out of that. I know when I've done it before, I've got more than quite a bit. I've got a lot of presents out of that. And I bought some more batiks. That one isn't batik. But these are cotton batiks, and there's a blue one and one with butterflies on it. So I thought I'm going to put it with the other batiks I bought, because I've been slowly getting a stock, and do a quilt and batiks. We'll see. See how it turns out. And this is just normal quilting cotton that I could use as a background. It's just maple leaves, sort of creamy white maple leaves on a greeny grey brown background. Something different. So there isn't actually much, oh sorry, there isn't actually much here, but it will keep me going for a while. And as I say, I've been collecting batiks for a while, and I've been collecting these Christmas ones for a while, so it will keep me quite occupied when the weather gets a bit cooler, because while it's warm weather, I'm sorting the garden out and preserving things, so it's my busiest time of year. You can see there behind me is a wall hanging quilt I'm making. That's going to be the middle section of it, and I'm going to add a little border and then a bigger border, so I'm going to be adding to it and then quilt it up, and that'll go down the long wall in on my stairs. But someone asked me to show the quilt that they saw the other week, so I'll do that now. This, I don't know how well you're going to make it out. When I first got my long arm, this fabric, I didn't piece it together. It comes like this, and they're 4-inch squares, and I thought I'm going to see how many designs I can do in 4-inch squares, and so I did. And it took me absolutely ages, but it really did get me used to using the long arm. This is a dress that I'm working on at the moment, and it's basically the top that I showed the other week with the round neck. I've altered the neck, which I will be showing you how I did that in next week's episode on another top. But I've altered the neck, left an opening in the back so I can have a zip, and I'm going to add a skirt to it to make a dress. So from one top pattern and get several items from it, because all I need is a size that goes around the bust. That's it. But I digress. I was showing you the quilt on the back wall as per request. Thank you. Bye.